Hey guys, now that we are into September, it's time to go fall throttle. In case you don't know me, my name is Dawn and I work here at FX Caprara Harley-Davidson. Today we are talking about leather jackets and how they should fit you when they're new, so then that way when they get all broke in, they'll fit perfectly when you're riding down the road. Alright, so as we talked about in the How to Ride in the Rain video, leather jackets also come in a good, better, and best quality when it comes to Harley-Davidson. All the jackets are made by riders for riders, but with the good jackets, this is like your entry-level jacket. It's the bare minimum what you need in order to help keep you safe, protect you as you're riding down the road. With the better quality, it's got some more stuff to it. It's got venting to help keep you cool. Open that up when you're riding along if it's hot, and then close it up obviously when it's get cooler, help keep you warm as you're riding down the road. They also have body armor pockets at the back, shoulders, and elbows. And then when it comes to Harley's best category for jackets, these often will have a full sleeve liner that you can zip out, use by itself, use it with the jacket, use the jacket by itself. That way you're able to wear it through more of the seasons. You'll get more money out of your jacket that way. So again, good, better, and best quality when it comes to Harley leather jackets. Simple as that. Last but not least, with the fit of your leather jacket, when you're trying it on, a riding jacket, it's going to be a little bit longer than the sleeves. That way, as you put your arms up on the handlebars, your sleeves aren't going to come all the way back like so. So you want it to be a little bit long in the arms. So again, that way when you put up your hands on the handlebars, it's going to be right at your wrist. Also, with a new leather jacket, they should fit a little bit snug. The nice thing about Harley is I usually wear a large in the Harley shirts. I'm going to want to try a large in a leather jacket first. It should fit a little bit snug because that leather is going to break in over time. And once it breaks in, it's going to get a little bit bigger. And a jacket that's too big on you, whether it's leather or nylon, it's going to fill up with air as you're riding along, and that's not going to be good to help keep you warm, obviously. So you want it to fit a little bit snug to begin with, and then again, when that leather breaks in, it's going to fit perfect. If you like this video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when we upload new content, then be sure to hit that bell. From all of us here at FX Caprara, thanks for watching. Stay safe and have fun.